Hi, in this short video, I will show you how you can set up a combined chart. A combined chart allows you to have three axes, which can be very useful for more complex data. As you can see here, the y-axis on the left has sales numbers, the y-axis on the right has the number of opportunities, and the x-axis has the timeline. I will also show you how you can stack your data to get a view like in this example here, where you can see that all the sales reps data has been stacked in each column. To begin, you'll need to set up your aggregates and your grouping and sorting tabs. So go up here to aggregate and you'll see that in here I have the converted amount. I have selected the sum for that, the opportunity name, that's the count, and the target has the sum as well. And under the grouping and sorting tab, you can see I have the expected close date, the opportunity type, and the assigned user. So now it's time to set up your charts. So scroll down. And you're most likely going to start with a pie chart. So what you want to do is go over to chart type and in here select the combined chart. The most important thing to set up are all the items in bold. So the first thing you'll see is the date. So we have the month and year over here on the horizontal axis. And then on the secondary vertical axis, so that's the first one on your left, we have both the target sum and the converted amount sum. And here you can see that they're selected to show up as columns. And now for the third vertical axis, so that's over here, I am going to select the count and remove the amount sum. Here under column, I'm going to make it a line. And finally here under the legend, I want all three items selected. And that's it. So here you can see the converted amounts, then you can see the count, and here are the dates. So this line over here corresponds to the vertical axis on your right, and then the bars correspond to the vertical axis on your left. Another really useful way to show your data is to have a stacked chart. So in here you can see that we have all the sales reps stacked up on top of each other, so you can see how much their total sales was by person. And then the blue line represents the target numbers. So what I've done here is here we still have the converted amount sum, but now it's also stacked and it's grouped by the assigned user. The third vertical axis now is the target sum, and then the legend is the converted amount sum and the target sum. Something that's easy to miss but really important is to make sure that you have selected all the items here that are on your vertical axes. So here you can see I have the converted amount sum and that is also selected here. And here I have the target sum and it's selected here. And the last thing you want to make sure is that you check this box here, because what this does is here you can see now the blue line goes to the right side and then the chart goes on the left side. So you want to make sure that they're all following the same numbers. And so if you check this box, then you can see it's now been equalized and much easier to understand. And for the finishing touches, you can change the colors by clicking on any area in the chart. And in here, you can just copy paste the code or select a color that you like. And that's it, and you are all set up. If you still have any questions though, feel free to reach out to us and we'll be happy to help you out.